Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. At least the driver went back to get his thing. Does he need to go to the bathroom? No time for traffic, I guess. Waiting until the last second to get over. Either he is learning manual or he's having a stroke. His life flashed in front of his eyes. Please tell me where this is so I can avoid it. He was probably running from a hit and run. Check what's behind me or in front of me. Malfunctions in the middle of the intersection? This driver on his daily drive to the grocery store. Why are you completely stopping in the middle of the highway? Turning left from the right lane to get to Waffle House?
Understand those communities and who share some of those questions. That's where a lot of the answers are going to come from. We talk about health equity and health disparity.
And Dr. Kittle, as we begin to wrap up, I think it's important also if you could talk about whether or not this grant will help in supporting infrastructure, because that's a big part of it as well.
Yes.
No need to wait at the metered on-ramp. Let me just scooch by, y'all. This pickup driver gets instant karma after cutting off traffic.
Yeah, well, you know what? He's probably, is it these two that are fucking around?
I don't.
The Toyota.
No, it's the Camry
and this
the Jeep. It's not this one here.
No, I saw a guy speed up. Look at this. Look at. Oh, please tell me you got that on video.
I got that on video.
Look, now he's gonna cut in front of it. Ready?
Yep. I got it.
Some drivers are so terrible at driving.
Can you run in? What are you doing? Oh my goodness.
This foolish driver's lane change provokes motorcyclist road rage. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.